Dan Sweet Trash Bin Cleaner Direct. Here is GI Bins out of Grand Rapids, Michigan. This is their second truck, and they also have a diamond trailer. This other one is part of their franchise program, going to their first franchisee. This is a kind of neon green color, fully wrapped. We do sell direct, but also if you're looking for a franchise, this is an awesome opportunity. We do work with GI Bins when it comes to that. And either NRR Super Duty like F550 trucks, but in the Isuzu NRR class. We do have a few trucks available, unlike some other manufacturers that are, that are over a year backward. We're turning them over pretty quickly, normally 6 to 8 weeks, but sometimes depending on inventory, power washers and engines, it could maybe go a little bit longer than that. It all depends on inventory. But we have aluminum hoppers on these. We have all steel truck body, all steel flatbed and bumper, extremely reinforced rear support extensions on the frame. Actually got 6 doors on these trucks, so you got 3 on each side for the access and serviceability. These trucks can actually recycle the wastewater, reuse it. It's odorless water coming back through a large VOC filtration system. We actually have a total of 18 stages in order to be able to purify the water to be burned off as steam, eliminating the need to dump your wastewater throughout the day. That can actually give you an extra 3 hours of cleaning time when it comes down to that. And considering we do this, I've seen them do $880 an hour on site, doing 40 trash bins an hour by average on extremely filthy trash bins. And also that truckload coming in, sorry about that. And then so you can see here, stainless steel cleaning heads, hydraulic lifter, custom colors, truck bodies, etc. And wastewater filtration, wastewater recycling system, 3,500 PSI 9 gallon a minute. We also have some 3,000 PSI 9 gallon models. Like I said, industrial. If you look at how we build, I don't build them with a light duty aluminum truck body. We have welded gussets, steel frames, extreme heavy duty. This is the frame extension here. We actually do it by code when it comes to bolting the truck body to the frame. There's a reason why that's an issue right now. If you call us, we can get into more details and everything. And when you see the world of difference, like I said, we're not transporting wastewater in the open hopper. We'll pump that water out, we run it through a filtration, store it in a separate wastewater holding tank. When we want to recycle it, need to recycle, you don't always have to. You turn on the recycling system, run it right back through to the supply tank, and then you're just literally burning it off. So it gives you so much capacity to be able to do about 200, anywhere from 100 to 200 more trash bins a day, because you're not having to deal with dumping and refilling your tank all around the county, because most RV parks, that's illegal to dump there. Car washes, also illegal to pump there. Dump your wastewater there. Now, even if the owners don't know better, or the managers are getting a kickback, environmentally, when they pick up that wastewater, it's a big issue. I have documentation from Palm Beach, Martin County that shows that the trash bin cleaning industry has been singled out down there for prosecution and fines in both city, county, state, and also local health department categories. So, it's not gray water, so don't drink the gray water Kool-Aid that these some con men are trying to pass off out there in the industry. Never is, never was gray water. Gray water is bath water. All right. So basically, safety strobe lights on all these. The best of the best, 3,000 PSI rated stainless steel heads. Give us a call. We actually have trucks available, trailers, so we can start to build once we get your deposit. Thank you, Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. Let me give you our phone number. This truck is going in for build. We already wrapped it ahead of time, so we're going to be able to turn this over in the next couple weeks. Dan Sweet, Trash Bin Cleaning Direct, 877-699-0755. Go to trashbincleaningdirect.com.